So while I was gone on vacation, the sweet potato that I have in the kitchen decided to start getting viney and start growing. Well, the kids have been so excited by the different change in the sweet potato that every day they come in, there is, the vines have gotten bigger, and so I just couldn't bring myself to throw it out because they get so excited by the different change in it. So today I decided I would glue some little googly eyes on it. I'm about to glue a little mouth on it and some teeth, and I put some red hair on it. And I want to see what their reaction is going to be. So I'll record it and I'll get back with you guys. Come here, I want to show you something. Give me your hand. Mace, come on. Paisley, come on. What happened to it? What happened to it, Dre?
It's a mouse. Eyes.
It grew a mouth and eyes? What?
Hair.
And hair?
Mouse.
Isn't that neat?
A mouse.
You want to touch it?
Uh-huh.
You want to touch it?
Let me show Daddy, Mom.
You want to go show your daddy?
Right.
Look, Daddy, look.
Yeah, I see. That's pretty. I see your cup on the floor, your jacket on the floor.
Wait.
See?
What is that?
Nope, don't. Pull
What
this
is
little
Let me see.
potato.
Look, stop, let him look.
See, Daddy?
Oh my.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, get it. Hey. Go potato, get it. Wait,
Hey,
wait. So, you like that potato, Paisley? No, don't pull it off, Dre. If you pull it off, it's going to stop growing. Don't pull off his eye. Would you want me to pull your eyes off? Flip it over.
Mama.
Ooh, that's nice.
You don't have to yell. Do you want to hold it? Let's let Mace hold it because he didn't get to hold it.
Give me, Daddy.
Go sit down.
Really?
Go sit down.
Stop. That make my Daddy.
All right. I guess the potato was a success.
Mama here.
Thank you.
It doesn't back.
Say bye, potato.
Potato. Potato.
Mace, you want some meat?
The meat.
You had to hit it, didn't you?